Everybody watching, eyes on me?
I'm not even playing.
Good? Okay, what we're going to do is turn around. I want you to just start slowly jogging down the court. Okay? Like this. Like this. And then when you hear the whistle, I want you to stop. And on one foot, I just want you to go around the circle until you get back to the way you're going, okay? Alright? So what are we doing? Yep. And what do we do when we stop? We go circles. You can go whichever way you like.
I know what, but I don't have to
just put in the same spot. Maybe you be a bit careful with your bare feet, okay? Alright? Okay. So, do you think we use this in the game? Because we're not allowed to. So if we want to pass the ball, we have to keep one foot nice and still. Okay, ready?
If
Go.
I need a ball, I'll give it
Slow
to
jump.
Daddy's house. I'm out, Daddy.
Remember, stop on one foot, turn around in a circle. Around in a circle, Holly. Until you get back to the front again. Okay? Back facing this way. Okay, back to where you started. So if I'm running, look in, girls. If I'm running, I stop. And I go around the circles until I get facing this way again. Okay? Ready? Go. Nice slow jog. Come on, Lily. Round we go. Okay.
Were you going to stay on this spot?
Once you're facing, go again. Run. Really? That's it. Okay, now everybody come down, line up on the line again, facing that way. Okay, now what I want you to do, looking at me girls, eyes on me, eyes on me. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to pretend you've got a ball in your hand. Okay? So I want you to run up, when you hear the whistle, stop, and pretend you're looking for somebody to pass it to, okay? Until you get facing this way again. Alright? Okay, let's give it a go. Ready? Go! Good. Face it. Go!